sa sovereign rights ng ating bansa. May I ask this question? When the military decided to pave the way, to build a runway sa Pag-asa Island, was there any objection by any department in our country at that time?
Well, Mr. President, with all due respect, Mr. President, I think we have exhausted.
Mr. President, do we have closure here?
No, Mr. President, but I no longer would like to.
No, on one hand, Mr. President, sabi niya, minimize ko. Nung nagtatanong naman ako ng ibang opisyal, ayaw naman sagutin. Sino nagmi-minimize?
Mr. President, I have the floor. Mr. President, point of order. I have the floor, and I would like to manifest that we believe this has been exhausted. For 2 weeks, Mr. President, we have debated this, and I think we have ventilated the issue enough, and it is time for a vote, Mr. President. I will no longer yield to questions, Mr. President.
Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, before that, can I just reiterate my question?
Go ahead.
Kung hindi niya sasagutin, imamanifest ko lang yung sagot sa sarili kong tanong. Ang tanong ko po sa kanya, nung sinabi ng military, ganyan na nangyayari sa West Philippine Sea, lagyan na natin ng runway, ayusin na natin ang Pag-asa. Meron ba pong mga opisyalis ng kahit anong departamento sa ating bansa na registered a negative vote and advised the military not to do it? Oh, if the good senator doesn't want to answer that, I will answer it. Mga taga-DFA. Ang sabi ng mga taga-DFA, during the time, this was the time of President Aquino, it will weaken our case. Because precisely, the rocks, the features that are being reclaimed, etc., malakas ang kaso natin. Nasunod po yung military at tingin ko tama naman. But none of us told yung mga taga-DFA na pro-China kayo for having a different opinion. Diba? None of us. Why? Kasi iba trabaho ng DFA sa DND. Iba trabaho ng DND sa Coast Guard. So, Mr. President, dapat burahin na natin yung nagdi-discuss tayo ng maayos. Napikon ka sa statement ng iba, re-rest back ang senador. Buti nga, sinasagot kayo eh. Mas malaking insulto kung hindi kayo sinagot eh. Sinagot kayo, di magsagutan kayo, pero gusto nyo, buong Senado ang re-rest back nyo. Ako, kung may kadebate akong embassy, kami lang yun. Kung kailangan ko tulong ni Brother Robin or ni Senator Marcoleta, kakalibitin ko, tulungan. Pero hindi ako magfa-file ng resolution sa Senado para sa tulungan nyo kami, bugbog kami sa China. Tapos pagka hindi ka pumirma, pro-China ka. China lang ang lumalaki dito. Okay. We'll go to the corollary question there. I was going to ask the gentleman, ano ang ilan responsibilities natin under UNCLOS? Will the gentleman answer that or will I answer myself? So since the gentleman will not answer that, I will answer it myself, Mr. President. So under our maritime entitlements, meron din responsibilities doon. For example, Mr. President, managing our maritime resources. So walang problema yung non-life, for example, natural gas, di ba? Siyempre yung ecological balance lang dyan. Pero let's say fish, let's say yung mga coral reef. Trabaho ng Coast Guard siguraduhin na walang nagda-damage niyan. So kung ang Coast Guard natin at Coast Guard ng China ay nag-aaway parate, mahirapan silang dalawa na i-enforce ang mga restriction na nakakasira ng ating environment. That's why, in the past administration, everyone was allowed to speak except the Coast Guard because of the next responsibility, the prevention of life and there's a official term doon, but since walang taga-ano dito, prevention of loss of life and so may official term yan, Mr. President. Ang punto nun, kapag ka may barko halimbawa na lumulubog o nabangga o tinamaan ng bagyo, you cannot say no. You have to help. Diba? Magtutulungan kayo. So kung ang Coast Guard ng China at Coast Guard ng Pilipinas ay hindi magkasundo, kawawa yung ating fishermen. That's why unanimous yung ating resolution about water cannon. Our diplomats have been telling China the same thing. Mag-away yung iba pero wag yung Coast Guard natin. Kasi kung may fisherman ka rin na Chinese at may kailangan yan, tutulungan din ng Pinoy yun. Wala nang nationality pagkabuhay na, di ba? So, two sides eh. On one side, we are advocating umayos naman yung Chinese Coast Guard. Pero kung papayagan natin, yung spokesman ng Coast Guard naman natin ang mambastos, hindi mangyayari to. So anyway, Mr. President, marami pa akong gusto sabihin, but siguro dahil may LEDAC tayo tomorrow, maraming importante. Ang question ko lang, Mr. President, paano yung amendments? Hindi ba natin ilalagay kung anong mga statement na to? Kasi paano natin pagbobotohan kung hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga statement na to at sino tong mga opisyal? This resolution is so general.
Mr.
It can mean anything. Mr. President, I'm not yet finished. You said you don't want to speak anymore, then don't speak. It's your privilege. But if you don't like what I'm saying, Mr. President, no,
Will you please
tapos na
address
ako eh.
Point of
Tapos na
order,
ako.
Mr.
Please
President.
address the chair. Do not address
I'm sorry for that, Mr. President.
Yes, Mr.
I'm sorry for that, Mr. President.
We move to strike off the record the...
I withdraw that statement, Mr.
Thank you,
President.
Mr. President.
I apologize for that.
All right, the statement is
Yes.
withdrawn. Perhaps what we can do is that let us then terminate the period of interpellation and open the period of...
Yan sana.
Yun.
Ah.
Oh,
Ayos, di ba?
at least marami tayong natutunan.
Ay, nagkaroon pa tayo ng isang isla sa West Philippine Sea.
Ah, ano paano
At
isla?
tuwing nagtatalo-talo tayo, may tumutubong isla doon.
Ah, ganun ba yun? Parang pagka lumilin doon, may lumulubog. Ay, nako. Mahirap talaga kapag kapikon din minsan, eh, no?
Ay, yan ang mahirap. Oo, kaya pagkapikon ka, huwag ka na magsalita.
Oo.
Tama yung ginawa
Huwag ka na makipagtalo kung ano.
Tama yung ginawa ni Senador Kiko.
Ayun ang expertise ni Alang Cayetano.
Yung mamigot.
Ay, nako. Ay, pero teka lang. Kayo ba ibibiyahe? Pinag-uusapan natin ito, eh.
Saan tayo mabiyahe?
Ay, bibiyahe ba kayo sa mga pamamagitan po ng sakyang pandagat? Nako, kanselado po ngayon ang biyahe.
Oy, nako.
Malakas ang hangin.
Nako po.
Kanselado po ilang biyaheng pandagat sa iba't ibang pantalan sa bansa hanggang alas 10 kainang umaga. Dahil po sa merong gale force.